Go, mandyan ka sa go.
Oh.
Each having them, we invite a cake. Ano ka na pag-cake? So, where do you want to go ka-cake?
Very much.
Oh, very much. So, what do you want to buy there?
Ice cream, yummy.
Ay, tingnan din ang reposis namin. Lagay ko muna ito dito ka-cake. Ano ba naman mag-cameraman? Wait lang, wait.
Oh?
You want this, Kunor?
Ano? Rembi?
You don't want this, Kunor? I want this, Kateke, I want this. And I want that Kateke. And I want, tama na guys, kaya wala na tayong pera. Okay. How are you today, Kateke? Hindi ka nagkakina?
Fine, thank you.
Good?
Yeah.
I want this Kateke.
You want that?
Yes. And I want everything.
Everything.
And this one as well. Okay. Tapos hindi naman natin pala kukunin lahat.
Let's do the game.
What do you want, Kunor? You want this, Kunor, everything?
I want ice cream.
Oh, you want ice cream? Oh, no. Wait, where is my wallet? Kateki, where's my
Here.
wallet?
Wallet?
Kateki. And give me my wallet. Okay. And this is my wallet? Oh my God. Can I see how much? Oh my God. Konti lang ang pera natin.
have
Kaya
money?
konti lang. I don't have many money. Anong gawin natin? Oh, ano ba itong mga camera man ang hirap? Ano ba gawin natin? Kunor, come here, Kunor. You want soft drinks to take it?
Juice. You want juice?
Maybe there.
Yeah. You go there.
Si Kateki, dapat silent lang si Kateki, no? Bakit ang daldal ng Kateki ko? Kateki, wait. Wait for me, Kateki. Because Kunor is there.
Pasta bara.
Tabarang 2 version. You want this? Kunor, you want this? Wait. You want orange Kateki?
Yeah. I want that.
That's hot. This Kateki. Parang pala yung mga videographer natin. You want this, Kunor? Yeah. Kajapo, you want this? Wag natin ko rin.
Yeah.
Everything na lang here in mo. Hoy, sino pa magkuha? Hindi ka na. Mapapadiwan na sa'yo. Kunor, ano sa'yo? This too. Big. Asan ang this? Big. Oh, you want this? And then, ang ending, konti na naman palang bibili niya. You want this, Kateki?
Yeah, I want that.
Okay, hold. And then, ibalik ko na yung Kateki. Wala tayong pera. Let's pay mga Kateki. Tapos ang ending, ang dami natin kinuha. Ito lang ako. Kateki, can you put that here? Okay, pamayad ka. Pero ako Kateki na may magbayad. Kaya walang pera siya. Kunor.
How much?
How much? Oh, ikaw na bahala Kateki. Kaya ikaw na mapalang si Kateki.